Hi, good day. Grabe, Stala Suits and Events Place. Grabe, super extraordinary experience. Lalo yung mga staff, very accommodating. Ate Kim, grabe, kahit mag-isa siya, like one girl standing talaga. Talagang, alam mo, parang nagkakagibunshin siya kung saan-saan siya. And you can always ask her, nandun siya kagad, ang bilis. And then of course, si Sir Erwin from the day, talaga na nag-inquire kami up until today, talagang yung respond niya kahit napaka-busy days, grabe talaga. And then of course, host fams, grabe yung energy, hype yung mga tao. Pagpasok pa lang namin yung energy level, woo, grabe. And then, of course, sa lahat ng staff, hindi ko mabanggit lahat, DJs, yung mga nagsiserve and everything. Thank you very much po. Grabe, I recommend talaga ang Stala City Event.
Yeah, and sobrang ganda po talaga ng events place, yung venue. Sobrang wala ka nang kailangan pang hanapin from other suppliers. And sobrang accommodating din nila sa lahat ng request namin. Lahat talaga tinupad nila. So thank you so much, Stala Sweets, and more power.
Woo! Go Stala!